Hi beautiful people. So today is day one. There's so much I need to catch you up on. So first things first, I'm no longer on keto. Let's start with that, huh?
My heart's in the sky, supernova.
Another thing, I'm currently on a different diet plan, and I'll go ahead and tell you right now what it is. It's Weight Watchers. One of my neighbors kind of recommended it to me, so I'm giving it a shot. There's more to it than just a simple recommendation. I looked into it, did my research, and it's worth a shot, I think. So right now, another update 3. Currently on my way to the gym, so I got a gym membership. Update number 4, this is a loaded video. I have to actually meet up with a trainer in 15 minutes. So that's where I'm headed to now. That's why the camera's all shaky. So hopefully that will stay. I have the phone currently in the car. So I'm on my way to go meet up with my personal trainer, which I just got matched with about 3 days ago. So right now, this is Friday. And I don't know what the exact date is, and I'm supposed to be meeting with her at 3 o'clock. It is currently 2:48, and the gym's about 10 minutes away, I'll say. So I'm pretty excited about meeting up with her. I know for a fact that I need a trainer if I'm going to be going to the gym, because I haven't been in so long, so I need somebody to kind of guide me through. And I'm very particular about who I envision being my trainer, because I don't need anybody who's going to be like soft on me, because I'm a hard ass myself. So I need somebody else who's going to kind of like, hey, you need to push yourself, because you know, when you're going for high intensity, which is what my goal is, to go high intensity workouts, so that I could really tone my body and like start to see that muscle that I like to see. So when I'm doing workouts like that, like very rigorous and very like high intensity, I need somebody who's gonna just be a shark, you know. So hopefully she's a shark. I'm not gonna put her name out just yet, just in case she's not the one. I do have all of my little gym essentials. I wish I would have brought my yoga mat so that I could stretch on it. I don't want to really use the one that they have at the gym because COVID and sickness, and you know, I'm just not there yet. So this should be interesting. I brought my mask, I brought my small towel so I could wipe up in between workouts. I bought my sweatband, of course. I know people are probably like, why is she wearing a hat indoors? But I mean, people at the gym will know, but just for the viewers out there, I wear this because it has like the little sweatband, and I don't know, it's what I have on hand. I know they have the bands that are sweatbands alone. I need to go buy some because I don't have any. This is essentially what I have. I have this in white and black, and I have a couple other hats that have like the little sweatband on them. It's actually attached to the hat. So that's why I'm wearing this. I have my watch on so I could start recording my workouts. I have my ID card because what UFit is actually doing is they're giving me a free 3-month because they were closed for the past 3 months due to the illness. How I'm feeling right now, I am a tad bit nervous because it is day one. It's day one with everything. It's also day one with Weight Watchers. And just to get into that a little bit, I just want to say that off rip, from what I've been researching and kind of like me actually inputting the foods I'm eating into the app, I'll say that it's almost the freaking opposite of keto, because it's like a lot of the foods that I would eat on keto are high in points with Weight Watchers. And just like they're very similar in the sense that the way that you carb count with keto, with Weight Watchers you count points. Carb counting is kind of easier because literally you can look on the back of a label or look at the nutritional facts and see how many carbs there are. Me, I can't go to the store and see how many points it is on Weight Watchers kind of thing. I have to like input it into the app. Maybe there's an easier way to do it. I don't know how. All I know how to do is scan the barcodes into the app or search it through the app, search what I'm trying to find in the app and see how many points it is. So I'll say like counting is easier with keto. With Weight Watchers, I'll say there's a larger variety of foods that I can eat, foods that I actually enjoy. I love fruits and veggies. And even with keto, even though you can have green veggies, a lot of the other veggies are kind of like you eat in moderation. Like, you know, I like corn, I like carrots, you know, there's certain things that I like that were just like with keto, it's kind of like, oh, don't overdo it. But with Weight Watchers, they're like, eat as much as you want. So I'm very excited about that because I also love pineapples, and on keto the only fruits you can really have are berries, so like strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, stuff like that. On Weight Watchers I could have pineapples, watermelon, and like all the stuff that I've missed. So I'm pretty excited about that. One thing I need to do today is create a meal plan so that I can know what to shop for, because right now I don't have a list of meals for the next week. And it's crazy because Meg and I, we're going out of town tomorrow, so I don't even have really time to go grocery shopping. But thank God for Instacart. I think I'm gonna have to Instacart it this week. Leave me a comment down below if you're currently using Instacart since this whole madness thing has happened. Like, Instacart has become my BFF, so Instacart everything. But I mean, actually this time around, since I'm starting WW, I really wanted to go to the grocery store, but I just don't think I'm gonna have time, and I need the food in the house, because that's another thing. When you don't have the food in the house and you're hungry, it's a higher chance that you're probably gonna cheat, because you're gonna either find something that you do have in the house but it may not be the best option, or the first thing you're gonna do when you get hungry is go out and get some food. And with WW, baby, let me tell you, this processed food is high in points. Like, it takes up all your points, like literally. On my app, I don't know if it's like that with everyone's app, the week starts on a Friday. So I already told you today is Friday. I'm gonna try and keep it clean. I'm gonna try and like show you, but if I don't end up having a clip. So far I've eaten breakfast only, and that was a total of 4 points. I had a breakfast sandwich that I made. I used 0-carb bread. I used 2 eggs. Eggs are 0 points on the purple plan, which I'm on. I forgot to mention there's different plans on Weight Watchers. I'm on the purple plan. So eggs are 0 points, and I had 2 of them along with my 0-carb bread and a slice of cheese, and I forgot how many points a slice of cheese is. Probably 2 points or something, like, I don't know, it was something. But yeah, top that with like just a squirt of sriracha. It wasn't even a teaspoon of sriracha mayo, and some hot sauce, because I put hot sauce on everything. And that was essentially my breakfast. Very filling, very satisfied, very tasty. And to be real with you, it's something that I could even eat on keto. Like, that was a very keto meal. That's where I got 0-carb bread from, was from the keto meals or whatever, and it ended up being a delicious breakfast. So I mean, I'm sure as I go along I'll find more meals that I can make that are less in points, but this was a great substitute, being that I haven't even gone shopping yet. You need to be on it in Florida to get your parking space. So I am here. It is 2:56. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of try to record my workout. I'm gonna let her know what's up. I need some recordings just because, you know, it's my journey and all that jazz, and I want to be able to compare where I came from to where I'm going and blah blah blah. So I'm gonna see what I can record and what I can bring you guys along for. Hopefully you guys will see everything. If not, want to talk about new normal? This is the freaking new normal. This is our lives now, people. So I have my keys, my towel, my ID, my water. I think we're Gucci. I think we're Gucci for now. All right.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
Okay, so the first part of my sign up is complete. So I'm completely signed up, and they extended for 4 months instead of 3. Because of some mix-ups that happened. So I'm good for 4 months here. So right now I'm trying to put my stuff away. I'm gonna just warm up on a treadmill or something, because my appointment with the trainer is not for another like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna just warm up a little bit, and then we'll get started on my assessment.
You can give anything, so you can go, yeah. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go.
I think I just died. 1,000 deaths. I cannot. It's too much. So I literally just left the gym and oh my gosh, you all, like, I've never been in this much like pain, stress, distress in my life. My water. Yeah, that was a lot. She was really, really good in regard to like what workout options she gave me. We did a full body workout and I finished everything. That was the good part. I finished literally everything she told me to do. So I'm not a quitter, but it was very hard. I had to take some pauses and I felt very nauseous. And I felt nauseous because aside from the breakfast I had this morning, I didn't have anything else. And I don't know why my water's making noise, but I didn't have anything else. So it's 4:45 right now, and the only thing I've had was breakfast. And she, like, at the end of the workout, when she found that out, she was like, no, you don't ever do that. Don't ever come to the gym like on an empty stomach. Even if you feel full, have like a fruit or something to have on your stomach. Because when I tell you I felt nauseous, I felt nauseous. So right now I'm gonna go like do like a mini shopping thing or whatever. Just gonna grab some fruits and veggies and some stuff that I could like kind of eat later on today. I have a Chick-fil-A salad in the fridge. I'm probably gonna eat that for lunch. And I'm just gonna grab some fruits. I'm right in front of Walmart, so I was gonna go to Aldi's, but the way she just worked me out, child, I don't know if I could do anything else. So while I'm here, I'm gonna just go ahead and grab some fruits and some small stuff that I could eat. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Strikes on my channel. So I just left Walmart and I purchased my first WW items. A lot of them were familiar to me just because of keto, like the veggies, the frozen veggies. I'm used to eating those. But a lot of the items that I was buying, I just couldn't believe that I'm able to eat them. And I'm very excited, like the plantains and the fruits. So I'm extremely excited about that. And I went ahead and filmed a lot of it. And because I already know this video is going to be like extra long, it's not going to be a part of this video, like the haul portion. So I'll just do another video and maybe it'll come out like in a couple of days or whatever. It's no biggie. So I just hauled my WW items, check. I went to the gym, met with a personal trainer, check, and she killed me. Like, I couldn't even breathe. I was feeling nauseous. I already told you guys about that. I think I'm good for the weekend, but I have to look at my happy planner just to be sure. You know, I'm a planner girl. So I'm gonna look at my planner, see what else I have going on. I'm going to go ahead and film the haul, and I think I am set. So I think the mission for today was accomplished. Like, this was a really, really good day one for WW, like a really good way to start. I checked. I still have 15 points remaining for the day. In my neighborhood, they do have a food truck that's here. I don't think I'm a partake. I'm gonna look and see what they have. If they have any like chicken salads or stuff like that, I'll probably, I don't know, because I already bought that chicken salad I was telling you guys about earlier. So yeah, I think I'm gonna pass on the food truck. Yeah, I already feel crappy. other stuff I was eating prior to this point. So I think I want to keep day 1 clean and just save my points. I really don't know how the point system works, so it's going to be a while before I do like a sit down where I explain what the heck is WW Purple and what the heck is Weight Watchers in general. It's going to take me some time because I'm still learning. And that's the thing, like you have to, well, for me, I have to try it to learn it. It's not like I could just watch a bunch of videos or like read 1,000 articles and get like stuff like this. It's kind of like I have to do it and learn as I go. So as I learn, I'll share. And this is a completely new journey, so bear with me. It's not gonna be perfect, but bear with me. I was just crazy because I was just talking to my sister and I was telling her, I was like, yeah, keto really just, it worked for me. Like I would lose 10 pounds like off it, but then I would gain it back. And not only that, I would gain weight on top of that. So I'm like, shit, what am I doing wrong? And it's crazy because Mag, he's eating the same exact thing I'm eating and he is rocking it. Like he is losing so much weight, you guys, like so much weight, and everyone's noticing, and I'm just like, same diet here and I'm gaining. So, and I know they're like, don't go by the scale, you need to measure yourself. I was gaining everywhere in every aspect you can imagine. So I'm shelving keto for now. Not saying I won't ever go back to it, because I probably will. Mag is like rocking it, like I said, and I don't know, maybe one day I'll revisit it. I'm not gonna say, I can't make any promises, but this is just the journey I'm on now. This is my season. It's the season of WW, you know, and I have to, whatever I'm committing to, I have to put 100% in it. So I can't even think about keto and think about what I was doing in the past. Like this is a completely new journey. I gave keto maybe like, I want to say like a year of my life on and off or whatever, but when I was on for like months at a time, and it just, I wasn't seeing the results I wanted to see. I don't know, maybe if I try it in the future, I need to try a different combination, a new menu. I don't know what I have to do, but what I was doing wasn't working. And so when you see something's not working, you try to fix it, or you try something new, and that's what I'm doing. This is something new, and I hope you guys are willing to join me on this journey. If so, please be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. I'm about to film my haul, so if you want to see what I purchased for like a day 1 type of thing, like my very first grocery haul on Weight Watchers, stay tuned. The video should be out. I won't say will be out. It should be out within the next day or 2 from this video. Yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.